friends, Miss Hernandez here to guide on how to create your Storybird today. First, you need to go to Chrome, type storybird.com. As you can see, it's already saved on the history. Here, you need to click on sign in. Your teacher will provide you with your username and password. Notice that Miss Hernandez's computer saved the password. Please don't do that on your computer. When the computer prompts you to save the password, please click on no. Sign in. Go to create, and now this is very important. Like I said in the past, if you have done this before, you need to select the artwork in order to write your story. I'm going to write a story about butterfly, so I'll type butterfly. It's already here, so I'm going to click and search. Here are all my artwork, and notice that here there are already 5,833 books that were created. You can, click on them, see how other people wrote their Storybird. There are 96 long book form that were created about butterflies, and there are about 70 artwork. This is how many pictures you can find about butterfly in order to create your Storybird. So here I'm going to select a picture. It's good to scroll down to see the different options, because once you start your story, you can't change the artwork. I really like this one. Click and use this art. Here, you need to select the book that you're going to, the type of book you're going to create. Let's create a picture book. Important, we're going to start with the cover. So right down here on the left corner, you can see cover and page 1. Let's click on cover. And here we have some options. I'm going to take a look at all of the different options, and I really hope that you do the same. So let's do this one. Here's a classic view. I'm going to type my title. I'm going to call this A Beautiful Butterfly. That's going to be my book title. Here, I'm going to type by. Now, okay, Evelyn. Space Evelyn Hernandez. Sorry. This is the classic view. When I click here, I can also change the colors on my cover. Here's the green. Here's the red, yellow. All right. This is pretty actually. But I'm going to see what the other options will look like. So let me change here to landscape. Notice that my title stays the same and the author's name. And here I can select the colors for my cover. Let's look at the journal view. This is different. We have much more selection of covers that you can select from. All right. Remember that your title is about butterflies, so let's find something that is related to it. I don't like that one, so I'm going to go to the iconic view. Here you can also change the color and also find an icon that is related to the story. There's a butterfly here, so maybe this could be a nice one. But I'm going to go back to my covers again and select the one that I really, really liked. I think it was the landscape view, and I'm going to select this color. Like it? Hope you do, because I do. Let's go ahead and add pages. These are all the pages over here. Now you will notice that this blue arrow moves to the right because I am on my first page. I can go here and add a text. The text is usually about the picture that you can see or the artwork that you see. So I'm going to describe what I see. I'm going to start with capital letter, and I'm going to say, beautiful and colorful butterflies on the blue sky, period, because it's a sentence. That's my first page. If I want to add more pages, I click here on the plus sign and this add another page. So now I need to select the other artwork. So you can go right or left to find another picture. When I see a picture that I would like to add, this was not a good selection actually, because I don't see a lot of butterflies. Oh, all right. Let's click on this one. You click, hold on, and drag it. Notice that if I drag my picture or my artwork to the left, my text box, it will be on the right. If I click on it again, hold it down, the artwork is going to be on the bottom and the text box is going to be in front. And you can do the opposite too, however you like to do this. Let me add, and I like to look back and see how the pattern is going, so to be creative. So I'm going to add another sentence to this book. The girl is playing outside, period. I'm going to say she holds a beautiful, remember my title is beautiful, so I'm trying to use the same words. She holds a beautiful butterfly on her head, period. Okay, I'm gonna have one more page. And let me find another artwork. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Oh, this is cute. This time I'm going to add the text to the right. So I'm going to put the artwork on the left. It's hard to see the butterfly here, so I can change that picture. Let me find another picture. You can see. I see a lot of butterflies here. Let me see on the right. Click here. Let's see. See, boys and girls, it's important to select a good artwork because there were not that many butterfly pictures here. Picnic, so it's all about outside. You can see butterflies outside. Let me choose one more. And I'm just going to go back to the girl. Let's do that. I'm going to say the girl. I can also name the character if you like. Okay. The girl is riding her bike. Beautiful butterflies are flying by. Okay, and I need to add an end, so another picture, and I'm going to use the same picture that I used for the cover, and I'm going to have that picture, at the bottom, so I can add my text on the top. I'm going to say many butterflies fly freely on the beautiful sky. Okay, the end. All right. Now down here, it's important that you click on this blue button. It says save, and click on save. It says finish. You don't want to publish that one, okay? Go back, and you're gonna say save and exit. So save and exit, and Do not publish the story yet. Okay, that's all. Go to you and select log out. Thank you and have a good afternoon. Bye bye. Come on in.